my dear students, now we are going to complete practice set number 3.5 of Mathematics 2 chapter number 3 circle. This practice set it is based on three properties or else theorem: tangent secant theorem, second one is intersecting theorem of chords intersecting outside the circle, next one theorem of chords intersecting inside the circle. So in case of inside the circle, you all can see chord AB and CD intersects internally at point E. So this AE equals EB, CE equals ED. In case of outside the circle, intersecting chords outside the circle, you all can see AE equals EB and CE equals ED. And third one is property by tangent secant theorem. You all can see this ET, it is a tangent, and EAB is it is secant. So ET square equals EA into EB. So this exercise it is based on three theorems. These theorems. Practice at 3.5. Sum number 1. In the figure, ray PQ touches circle at point Q. PQ equals 12, PR equals 8. Find PS and RS. Now, you all can see this. Tangent PQ and secant PRS, they intersect each other at point P. So by tangent secant segment theorem, PQ square equals PR into PS. So PQ equals 12, 12 square equals 8 into PS. So 12 square is what? 144. So 144 divided by 8. 2 4s are 2, 72s are 4 1s are 4 18s are. So PS equals 18 units. We have to find RS. So we know this RS, it is PR plus RS equals PS. So PS we have got 18 equals 8 plus RS. So 18 minus 8 equals 10. So RS equals 10 units. Sum number 2. Chord MN and RS intersects at point D. Okay, first one RD is 15, DS 4, MD 8. We have to find DN. Now these two chords intersects each other internally. So theorem of internal divisions of chord, DM into DN equals DR into DS. So 8 into DN, 15 into 4. So DN equals 7.5. 4 1s are 4 2s are 2 1s are 7s are 0.5. So 7.5 units. Next. So next we have to find DS. This DS. So we have considered this DSX. So RS equals DR plus DS. So RS is 18 and DR plus X. So dr equals 18 minus x. So value of dr is what? 18 minus x. And these two chords intersect each other internally at point D. So same way, dm into dn equals dr into ds. 9 into 8 equals x into 18 minus x. 72, 18x minus x square. So x square minus 18x plus 72 equals 0. So product is 72. We have to split the middle term. So 12 6 is 72. So x equals x minus 12, common 6, x minus 12. So x minus 12, x minus 6 equals 0. So x equals 12 or x equals 6. So ds equals 12 units or else ds equals 6 units. Sum number 3. In the figure, O is the center of the circle and B is the point of contact. Segment O is perpendicular to AD, AB equals 12, AC equals 8. We have to find AD, DC, DE. So tangent, AB is the tangent and ACD is the secant. By tangent secant theorem, AB square equals AC into AD. So 12 square equals 8 into AD. So 2, 4 2s are 4 72s are 4 1s are 4 18s are. So AD equals 18 units. So what is AD? AD is what? AC plus DC. So 18 minus 8 will give you DC. So DC equals 10 units. We know this OA, it is perpendicular to chord CD, they are given. So DE equals half of chord CD. Perpendicular drawn from the center of circle to the chord bisects the chord. So CD is what? DC 10. So half into 10, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So D equals 5 units. Sum number 4. In the figure, PQ equals 6, QR equals 10, PS equal 8. We have to find TS. Now, this is what? External divisions of chord. This PR equals PQ plus QR. So 6 plus 10 will give you 16. So PR equals 16. PST and PQR are the two secants and they intersect at point P. So PT into PS equals PR into PQ by theorems of external divisions of chord. So PT into 8 equals 16 into 6. So PT equals 16 into 6 upon 8. 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 4 1s are 4 4s are 4 3s are 12. So PT equals 12 units. What is PT? PS plus TS. So 12 minus 8 equals TS. So TS equals 4 units. Fifth one. Segment EF is a diameter and DF is a tangent segment. Radius of a circle is R. Prove that DE into GE equals 4R square. Now, there's constructions over here. You'll have to join this. GF. Okay. Angle EGF equals 90 degree. EGF. Why? Diameter sustains right angle at any point on the circle. This is the diameter. So it is what? 90 degree. In triangle EFD. EFD. We know this FD. It is what? The tangent. So EFD equals 90 degree. Tangent and radius are perpendicular at the point of contact. And we know this FG, it is perpendicular to ED. So triangle EFD is similar to triangle EGF, similar to triangle FGD, similarity in right angle triangle. So we'll take these two triangles EFD and EGF. We'll take the corresponding sides. So EF upon GE equals DE upon EF. So this EF into EF will give you EF square DE into GE. EF is the diameter and diameter it is what? Twice the radius. So 2R square. So 2R square means what? 4R square. So 4R square equals DE into GE. With that, practice set number 3.5 has been completed and chapter number 3 has been done. Thank you.